Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to do a video update about Deribit, and I'm sorry for I'm not uploading for a month plus because recently I just went through something in my life which is a breakup, and after that I hope you understand that's why I'm not been uploading. So basically I'm going to do an update right now. So basically if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to the video. Sorry. And after that, before we get started on every video, I want you to know about Prove It. So basically, Prove It is a health supplement product which can help you improve your life in many ways. So if you are interested, you can click on my link and after that head over to the Learn and head over to Keto 101. Basically, it is going to tell you what's the benefit of taking ketos, and yeah, basically all the proof, and after that not say the proof but you can learn what is ketos about, because yeah, basically in the traditional world of the Asian, you need to have rice in order to have energy, and after that basically yeah, be full when you eat a meal, and after that it is healthy for your life. But once I know about ketos, I have already like really stopped in taking rice, and after that yeah, it's survivable and you are yeah, I feel better. And yeah, let's get started with the Deribit bot. So basically, if you can see, the first day that I've started the bot, it is on the 17th of January 2020 with 1 Bitcoin, and I did an update on the 2nd of February, and the profit was like 0.015, which many people say is is very little. And after that, as you can see, after 2 months later, roughly around 2 months, I have finally do a screenshot again, less than a month, I would say 1 month plus. I did a screenshot and you can see proof over here. The screenshot I done was 1.302, and basically on my account itself is showing me 1.3021 of equity. And basically yeah, you can see for the past few days, um basically for the past few days Bitcoin wasn't really good. As you can see over here, there was a very big drop from 7,000 straight away down to 4,000 plus, or even lower. The lowest was 4,700 plus, and yeah, even more if I'm not wrong. Yeah, around here. So you can see 3,000 plus. The price went down, and basically the bot that I was seeing on the day and the screenshot over here, it was really terrifying. Basically, you can see over here the balance showing this is the latest today, and after that I can scroll down more. You can see the balance went down, the snapshot went down all the way to 0.69 Bitcoin. And after that you can see yeah, basically today this 12th of March, it was doing well, and suddenly the crash happened for around 7 days. So basically on the it took 7 days for the bot to regain, and after that make more profit. So you can see over here the profit that the bot has been making daily, and after that this is not the loss, it's basically the equity loss, and after this is the equities profit. So basically the position has not been closed, has not been trade. As you can see, it is just settlements. So basically it's just holding the position and making some trades, and after that you can see over here the profit and stuff. And after that you can see the trade has been doing quite well, and the bot has been picking up since. So you can see over here the days, and after that all the trades that I've done. And yeah, over here you can see slowly it went up all the way to 1.302, which is as of today the snapshot. And yeah, basically if you are not convinced by the bot itself, to be honest, I've been in the bot for like 3 months, and I have seen many crashes of on the market. So basically a lot of crashes done, and after that many of the bots out there has been liquidated. To be honest, there was a video done by many people and news that don't know how many, I think 52 millions or something worth of shorts has been shut, as I mean have a long or shorts has been closed, liquidated, because of the sudden crash and stuff. And of course you can see this red bar over here. On the 12th of May, the market really crashed down all the way to 4,000 plus, and after that the bot has not even like been liquidated, and in fact the bot recover after the market slowly regain and recover a bit. So basically you can see this bot, it is not coded to be like to see the algorithm of other people, I mean to compare charts with other people, and after that from there make the own decision. The bot is I would say somehow learning and of course trading depending on the orders that the whole Deribit is doing. So basically you have a spreadsheet over here. You can see the order book, the trades over here. Yep, on previously on I think on some others exchange like BitMEX, you can see how much long and how much long and short there's comparing, and after that the bot, yeah, I'm using some mathematical equation, and after that this and that and some of the codings to develop this, and after that I would say the code is excellent. So basically you can see over here the position is really making profit, and basically the bot is not going to close the profit anytime soon. Just let me show you how does it work. So basically you can see over here when is the position. So the position entry was over here, and when will the bot close the position? So it's over here 6,700, then it is going to finally close the position and buy a short, and after that from there the price of it, yeah, it determines that the price will go down probably. The lowest is going to go is like 5,700, so there's a very huge gap for the bot to make trades over here. But this over here is shown, it is not permanent, because the bot is always changing the orders, the position, depending on the market situation and the price of Bitcoin, and after that the order book over here, depending on how fast the order book change. And after that, because on BitMEX, sometimes you can see maybe over here there's at a price of 6,448, suddenly there's a $1 million worth of sale, and after that suddenly you see when the price is reaching downwards towards the 1 million size, basically it's gonna close. I mean it's gonna disappear, and after that it's gonna be switched around. So basically this is bots that people are using to scare the people, so people will panic sell and buy. Therefore, yeah, those whales make money, but for the bot itself, it is, yeah, it take in many criteria. I mean, like, I don't know how would you like to say it. It is like the bots makes many judgment before entering the position. So basically, from my understanding, the bot, it is somehow like a AI, I would say, self-learning, and always programmed to do this, and it has not failed. And I would say, yeah, it's an excellent product. Not say because it's free right now, because basically you can see on the spreadsheet itself the time shows, and after that the results being shown. So basically for around 3 months, yep, around 3 months, you can see the price. The bot already made 0.3 Bitcoin, which is a lot. I would say it's really a lot. 0.3 Bitcoin is around like how much? Too lazy to calculate, so I'm gonna do this. So basically around $2,000 within 3 months. Just by doing what? Basically I've done nothing on the platform itself. I just basically connect my account with the API on the developer's backend, and from there just put in 1 Bitcoin worth of equity to let it start trading on leverage and stuff. And from there, yeah, basically, yeah, doing nothing, I already earned this amount. So you think about it. If you are interested, you can join the group. Link down below, and after that, yeah, my spreadsheet is always available on the internet, so you can click on it and you can, yeah, view the spreadsheet, and after that you can see the results, and after that watch the video, and of course the previous video that I've done. And of course, if you are interested in my channel and stuff, kindly hit the subscribe button. And of course, we are already at the end of the video. Hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed, like button, post notification, and share with your friends and family if you are interested in. And of course, lastly, if you are really looking for better health and stuff, kindly sign up on Prove It, and after that learn more about Prove It. This keto diet that I'm talking about, which is not new, I would say. It is quite here for quite a long time, and hopefully if you are open-minded, you can just click on it and learn more about it. And of course, yeah, use my link to sign up and stuff. And of course, if you want to save on your orders, you can use the smart ship, which is in the account itself. You can just sign up, and after that you will find a smart ship button, and basically it is going to show you like it's gonna lead you it's a friendly guide, so step-by-step guide, you can know how to get started and stuff. And for smart ship orders, you need to wait for 1 month. So basically today you enter an order, the next month the product is gonna come and it's gonna reoccur, and basically you can use that 1 box or 2 box or smart ship worth, which is cheaper than buying it right now. Like let's say you want it today, let's say today you place an order on Prove It, yeah, maybe within the 5 days you'll receive the product, which is far more I would say a little bit more expensive. rather than you doing the smart ship. So smart ship, it is a recurring payment and you can get discount on your product itself. So that's the end of the video. Hope you like the video, and of course see you on the next video. Peace.